Hello kids, my name is the Easter Egg Hunter. And my name is Mr. Chang.
And
We're on an Easter egg hunt.
hunt.
Yay! Alright, you want an Easter egg hunt now?
Wait, but first we need our basket.
Basket, oh, I like the basket. I like the fake green grass. Okay, let's start.
We've hid eggs everywhere.
I mean, Victor has hidden eggs everywhere. Victor. I hate him. You know, I got really mad at him one night, so I hung him in the tree. You want to go see him? Come on, let's go. I told him that egg up there is filled with candy, and he fell for it. Now coyotes tried to eat him, and they succeeded. Hear that, Victor? You hear it?
Hey, there's an egg up there.
We should put it in our egg basket.
Score
Yay!
one. Score one.
Now let's go find him as fast as we can. Found one! Orange is the color of meatloaf. Yellow's the color of poop. Purple is the color of Easter eggs. That egg looks like vomit. Ooh, Easter grass. Hello, my name is Sardine Salmon. Ha ha ha. Oh, found one. Man, there's another egg, but I can't seem to find it. It's blue. I wonder where it could be. Found it! Teamwork. What's gonna work? Teamwork. Oh, look, another egg! Pink is the color of puke. Do, 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 do. Hey, did you see that bird? I don't think birds could get in there. Yeah. Got it. 2 more eggs. Egg, egg. Another egg!
I wonder if the mail's here.
Mail time!
Nope.
Mail time!
Hey, look at Hey,
Orange
do you see that? Do you see that, huh?
Oh yeah. I like rat yolk.
I'm pretty sure the Easter Bunny hid one in this tree.
Yeah,
Let's
he
go.
probably did. Yeah, I think he did. I see one.
Found one.
Yeah. Ow, it's prickly down there. Good thing the magic hands got it.
Whoa.
Another egg.
You get all the eggs we got.
Oh
my
yeah,
God.
baby. But there's one more green egg, and no one knows where it is or anything. Okay. Now let's go look fast. Really, really fast.
Oh my God, it's in there. I think. Yeah.
Cool. Now come on, let's go in the back fast. Really, really, really fast. I named this plant after my dad because it's all old, brown, and wrinkly, like chocolate rain.
I think we pressed an egg when we came in here.
We did? Hold on. Let's not go through yet. Let's wait. Let's see what's inside our eggs. Ah, nothing! The Easter Bunny just probably forgot to put something in that egg. Ah! That egg's a fake anyway. This one has to have something in it. Ah! The Easter Bunny forgot us! Maybe. I'm going to take that as a yes.
I'm just telling you, I know where all the eggs are.
Whoa,
I told you you'd pass mine.
an egg. Cool. Wait a minute. Is there money inside? Ah! Nothing. Hey, look, an egg.
Oh my God!
Nothing could ruin this day more, except for a beast. Ah!
I think it's the Easter Bunny.
It's the Easter Bunny. Do you have eggs?
Where's the money? Where's the money? Where's the money? Hey, an egg. Where's the money?
Gonna rock and roll all night. Ah! Bye-bye. Please go online to Puppet Fever /
Oh my
April
God.
Fool's / Easter. And
OMG.
also, go on our website called www.ncc.com. Thanks for listening, guys. Bye. Bye, and have a happy Easter.